getting rain, but good. Look at this. Look at this. Posted it short. I wanted to show you what it's like. The birds went away, and we were going to work on that, but we'll get to it tomorrow. Leave this go for a few minutes, and it is coming down. I knew it was going to rain today. This will show you the pond, what it looks like. You can see. Right. I want to see if I can get a bolt of thunder, but you hear it, and you see how the deck holds up. Not going anywhere. So I'll see you in the next video. Look at that. Look at that rain. Look at this. You hear it? We'll move that out of the way. It's amazing. So what we'll do next time is we'll tie these up before a rain, so that they don't get wet, and we'll open them again one thing. I hope to be out here Sunday night. So I'll see you in the next video. Again, I told everybody in the vertical version that I would be out here tomorrow live streaming me doing this area. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, like, comment, subscribe, and remember, all things are possible if you believe. You believe you can do something, do it. You don't know what you try. And that the past is behind us. We can't go back. The future is what you make it. So the past is behind us. The present is now. It's what you make it. Let's make 2025 better than 2024, and I will see you in the next video.